This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Craig Williams. Come see this 3-bedroom 2-bath home with vaulted ceilings with an open floor plan in Pinellas Park. The main bedroom and bath with walk-in shower with 2 other bedrooms are one side of the home. The other side has large family room with fireplace with easy access to screened porch. The spacious kitchen and dining area and stainless appliances and stone counter ready for entertainment. The front of the homes faces a small lake with trees. The backyard is fenced and easily can put a pool in. This home is close to shopping and bus transportation. This will not last. For more information, review the details below or contact Craig Williams at 813-340-0956.